How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel. So, Palantir had earnings. I'm going to give you my opinion on them, where I grade their earnings, how well they did today with earnings anyway in the earnings call. Only got to watch it once. It just ended, so I'm going to watch it multiple times. I decided not to go over it with you. It's long, and there's other channels that are doing that. Amit does it, and then you can just look at the Palantir channel. They do it as well on YouTube. So yeah, so earnings finally got profitable by only 1 cent, but hey, we'll take it. When you're talking this much money, 1 cent's a lot. So I'm okay with it. They were expected to do 3 cents. They did 4 cents. They did quarterly sales of $508 million, which beat the analyst consensus of $502 million. So beat it by about 1.5% or so. But it is a 17% increase from last year to this year. So that's pretty good. I like it to be a little more, but we are in something like kind of a recession, so I understand. I think we'll do better, and I think there's a little bit of sandbagging going on here. How did we go from not going to be profitable until 2025 till being profitable today? And Alex definitely stressed that he really appreciates the shareholders, and that's why he made sure to get profitable as quickly as he can. And I kind of see that in him. I trust him. So the conference call, all the questions he answered. He didn't hide from any. He was very genuine. We'll go over a little bit of the numbers because he did kind of talk about it a little bit. So the total revenue growth was 24% year over year. I know we were thinking 30, but again, recession, guys. Come on, give them a break. So to $1.9 billion. So, they're on track to do $2 billion this year. That's amazing. U.S. revenue growth was at 32%, and I think that's what explains the total revenue growth being only 24%. I think they're having trouble internationally getting international customers. Not international government, but international commercial growth. I think he said it was only like 11%. It's going to take a while. You got to have a big name to get into those other countries. Otherwise, a lot of those countries, they'll stay local and not even answer your call, really. But the commercial revenue growth grew 29% year over year. You're talking last year we were sitting at about $800 million, and now we're on track to do 1.9. That's pretty good. U.S. commercial revenue growth grew 67% year over year. To $335 million. So that's how much they're making off of just in the United States commercially. So, this could easily be a lot better. And for being so new, just give it time, guys. I'm really excited about this company. And it just continues to grow. Honestly, I'm a buyer at this company anywhere under $15. And even, honestly, I could see myself going up to $20 for this company for as well as they've executed. And he hasn't switched up one bit. He's getting better with maybe not being such a jerk, but he's not really a jerk. He's just focused, and like he said in the conference call, he says he's really worried about making sure investors get a return. You don't hear that a lot in conference calls. That's the first time I've ever heard him even say that. So he is changing a little bit, and other than the stock compensation, it's just staying equal. So they're not doing a lot more. They're not doing a lot less, which that irritates me a bit. But being profitable, I'll look past that. Um, U.S. government revenue grew 22%. So just in the U.S. government growth, they're doing $826 million. So that's phenomenal. Yeah, so I grade this conference call at an A. One of the better conference calls I've actually heard. And right now we're up about 17%. Do I think we'll stay? No, we'll probably go down. Now, if CPI data comes out good, this could be the launching pad for this company. If it doesn't, I'm still not selling. Like I said, this is one of those companies you hold forever. By the end of the year, I see this being a $22 stock to $25 stock. So that's pretty good, that's pretty good return. It's about, I guess it's like over 100%. That does sound a little crazy, but I'm hoping we will hit a little bit of a bull run, and if we do, this company is way undervalued in my opinion. I wouldn't sell if it ran up to 30 or 50 or 60 bucks, because I do see this company being in the future a couple $100. So, I see it having a $200 billion market cap. That's what I'm sticking to. It might sound crazy. I think we're only going to see greatness from here on out. And yeah, as long as there's no wars, we still got to talk about aliens and stuff. We'll get into that in the next one. I know there is alien stuff going on, allegedly. But anyway, like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.